Welcome to Top Picks Now. The best chrome rust remover is probably one of the most essential tools in any car enthusiast's or homeowner's arsenal, transforming dull, corroded surfaces into gleaming, like new chrome with minimal effort, making it an indispensable solution for restoring the shine and extending the life of your valuable metal possessions, from vintage car parts to household fixtures, ensuring a brilliant finish every time. Number 5. Stardrops The Pink Stuff Cleaning Paste 500G. Discover the incredible power of this cleaning paste. It's designed to tackle tough messes throughout your home with ease. This versatile cleaner works wonders on a variety of surfaces. You'll be amazed at how many different areas it can revitalize. From greasy kitchen surfaces to grimy bathroom tiles, it handles it all. Watch as it restores shine and cleanliness effortlessly. Use it on glass, showers, ovens, sinks, and even stainless steel. This paste leaves every surface looking pristine. Say goodbye to stubborn grease, grime, and unsightly stains. It cuts through dirt, leaving surfaces spotless and fresh. What we like. This powerful paste is your go-to for all-around cleaning. Its unique formula tackles grime on many surfaces, from kitchen to bathroom. If you are looking for one product to handle diverse cleaning challenges, this is an excellent choice. What people say. This cleaner effectively removes rust and restores the shine to chrome surfaces. The product's formula is designed to tackle tough corrosion without damaging the underlying metal. Number 4. Chemical Guy's Heavy Metal Polish Restorer Protectant 16 ounces. This product cleans, restores, and protects various metal surfaces. It brings back a brilliant finish to chrome, aluminum, stainless steel, and more. It quickly eliminates tarnish, rust stains, and oxidation. This reveals a smooth, reflective surface underneath. This polish includes a durable protective sealant. It helps resist future oxidation, grime, and light debris, keeping surfaces looking new longer. It's safe for use on automotive, motorcycle, SUV, and marine metal parts. Apply it to wheels, trim, exhaust tips, and railings for a renewed look. Applying it is simple. Just use a microfiber or foam applicator, work it into the surface, and buff for a high-gloss shine. Its uses extend beyond vehicles. It's also ideal for restoring household fixtures, kitchen hardware, and decorative metal items to a like-new shine. What we like. This product specializes in bringing back the brilliance of your metal surfaces. It not only cleans but also leaves a protective layer against future oxidation. If you have chrome, aluminum, or stainless steel that needs restoration and lasting protection, this is ideal. What people say. Number 3. CR Guy's Wheel Cleaner. Is brake dust and grime ruining your car's look? You need a powerful solution that truly works. This cleaner is designed to tackle the toughest dirt, grime, and brake dust. It leaves your rims and tires looking brand new. Don't worry about damaging your wheels. It's safe for alloy, chrome, aluminum, and even white wall tires, making it incredibly versatile. Simply spray it on, let it work its magic, and rinse away. Achieving a showroom shine has never been easier. Specifically formulated to dissolve stubborn brake dust and road grime. It restores the original luster of your wheels with minimal effort. Experience the difference a truly effective cleaner makes. Give your vehicle the pristine finish it deserves. What we like. Designed specifically for your wheels and tires, this cleaner effectively removes stubborn brake dust. Its versatile formula is safe for various rim types, including alloy and chrome. If you are looking for a dedicated and safe solution to keep your wheels pristine, consider this one. What people say. No reviews provided in the source JSON. Cannot extract points as source is empty. Please provide product reviews to extract points. Number 2. Rust-Oleum Rust Dissolver Trigger Spray Gel. This easy-to-use spray gel is designed to cling to iron, steel, and other metals. It works quickly to remove even the most stubborn rust, making your items look new again. Its powerful formula can dissolve medium to light rust in as little as 10 to 30 minutes. For heavier corrosion, a second application might be all it needs to get the job done. Forget the hard work of scrubbing. Simply rinse and wipe away the dissolved rust, leaving behind a perfectly clean surface. It prepares your metal for painting or further treatment with ease. The thick gel consistency ensures it stays active on the metal surface for longer periods. This allows it to penetrate and break down rust more effectively, maximizing its dissolving power. Watch as it transforms old, rusted surfaces back to their original glory. Your tools, car parts, or grills will look and feel like they just came out of the box. What we like. This heavy-duty spray gel makes rust removal incredibly easy. It clings to metal surfaces, dissolving rust in minutes without the need for scrubbing. If you have tools, car parts, or grills with stubborn rust and want a hands-off approach, this product is perfect. What people say. Number 1. Carfidant Rim Reactor Wheel and Rim Cleaner. This thick gel clings to your wheels for maximum cleaning power. You can use it full strength for heavy brake dust or dilute it for regular washes, giving you more value in every bottle. Its pH-balanced, non-acid formula reacts with iron deposits. You'll see it turn purple as it breaks down stubborn brake dust and metallic contamination. This pH-balanced formula is tough on grime but gentle on all wheel types. It cleans thoroughly without stripping coatings or damaging finishes. Simply spray it on, wait 2 to 4 minutes, and rinse off. No scrubbing is needed for most applications, making it perfect for quick detailing. Just apply it to dry wheels, let it sit for a few minutes, and then rinse. While agitation isn't usually required, brushing can help with very heavy, baked-on grime. What we like. Experience the magic of its color-changing formula as it visibly works to break down brake dust. This pH-neutral gel is safe for all wheel types and can be diluted for extended use. If you like seeing your cleaner in action and want a gentle yet effective solution for your rims, this is a fantastic option. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.